Chill out. Chill out, bro. Hey, let's talk about some music, bro.
Okay, Richard, where we gonna start on you?
No, don't start on me either, for real. Go to bed.
Don't leave her alone. She having fun.
All right, she having fun.
You got a poor master. Don't even trip.
Dog, we ain't talking about his business.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? He gonna pee on people.
Right, he telling himself.
Yeah, a poodle.
That's not the business, dog. Everybody in here.
Look at him. Now you ready to go chase him.
I told
Go chase him. Let me go.
I told y'all.
Go chase him.
I'm not gonna chase him. You go chase him.
Y'all need to stop being so sensitive. How can you get mad? How can you be mad when you the one who say you piss on people? You say it proud. You say it proud. No, if you claim that you do it, you be a man and admit that shit. You claim it, then you don't start crying like a little bitch about it. Well, he sure do laugh about it when he be like, "Oh, I piss on bitches. I piss on bitches." He laugh about it.
He just told her he was gonna piss on her.
Right. Okay.
He didn't tell me he was gonna piss on me, man.
We ain't say shit about pissing in the bed.
No, I didn't.
Bro, I heard you.
She didn't say
We
She
ain't
didn't say
shit
piss in
about
the
pissing in
bed.
the
She said piss on the bitch. She said piss on the. She said piss on the bitch.
Don't even literally piss on him.
Right. Y'all motherfucker better shut up with that.
Oh, she ain't say that
No,
shit.
you better shut up.
Man, I might be deaf, nigga, but I'm here.
She didn't say piss in no
She said
bed.
that shit, bro.
She said I could show
He
you.
said, nigga,
Piss on the bitch.
He pissed on just as she was laying down.
No.
No, she didn't.
I